Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. We've got Valentine's Day coming, and although here in the UK we tend to really only give a Valentine's gift to our spouse, boyfriend, girlfriend, partner, fiance, husband, wife, whatever, they're really the only people we give them to. Actually, it's quite nice to give little treats to your children maybe, or nieces and nephews, or just whoever. So this project, it's got stuff inside, and I'm going to share what that is in a minute. So you need to start off with one of our mini paper pumpkin boxes, and they are the little mini paper pumpkin boxes basically. We get paper pumpkin occasionally here in the UK, or in Europe I should say, but these are food safe. You can see the shine on that makes them food safe, but they're really easy. I'd say, to be honest, these are like mini packaging boxes. These are very reminiscent of the ones I bought for my mystery boxes that I did back in the summer, just in the way that they've been built together. But yes, you can fold them either way. So looking at it this way, that's the lid. So you pull in those two tabs and fold over, and it's just going to catch inside like that, just the same. And because, you know, Valentine's Day, and that is the Sweet Talk Suite, which includes this particularly brilliant image here. These are all the papers, I'll show you them in a second. But this one here, and it's called Sweet Conversations. Well, we have love hearts here in the UK. We don't have, I believe in North America you have conversation hearts, but we have love hearts. These are a bigger tube than normal. I'm looking for, I did have a special tin. Oh, it's here. These tend to be the size that you would get normally. Love hearts, I was focusing on that box of them, not the smaller one, but it's a smaller size. But these bigger ones, if you're lucky in the supermarket or a shop, you can get hold of them. And they are, let me open a packet because you know it's a really good excuse. I believe conversation hearts are heart shaped, whereas ours are round with a heart image on them. And there we go. That one says you're mine. That one says dream girl. That one's got a smiley face on it. Every now and again, I will stumble across a packet of clearly Welsh ones because it'll say Cwtch inside. And it's only the Welsh who use the beautiful word Cwtch, which means to, you can't describe what Cwtch is. It's like a hug and a kiss and a squish all in one go. And every now and again I'll get one of those, and I'm very pleased when I get one. So this happens to fit 5 of them in. Now I did sort of note that it's a little bit, you kind of get the twizzly bit caught up. So little tip for you. Position them in, fold up the sides, and put the base round the lid, and then it fits. I mean, they do fit anyway, it's just you don't want to be battling with the twisty bit at the end of the sweeties. Right, so that's my box of them. Right, okay, I'm going to use this sheet of love hearts now, but let me show you all of the papers. So, red hearts with the stripes. That would be the base. Red and pink hearts with the stripes. That looks like a sweetie jar. And what else have we got back here? That's the same one. All those lovely hearts with the purple. That is the same one. Those with the lollipops. And more lollipops. And then, of course, the sweethearts. So I'm going to go with that one and this one, I think. Am I, though? I wanted the other purpley colour. There we go. Let's scooch them all out of the way. Scooch, also a very good word. Don't think the Welsh can claim that one, though. So what you want to do is measure your box, and I tend to find that measuring not all the way to the edge but to this part works better. And so mine is 14 centimetres, and you do need your the full 12 inches, 30 centimetres. What did I say? 14 centimetres. And then I want about half that. So do I want 7 centimetres? I want about 6 centimetres, so not quite half. So if I bring this one in and slide that extra belly band across, it's not quite half. Half would be about there, but as close as. Should we just make it half? And do I want the stripes that way or do I want them that way? Ooh, let's go that way. So I was working in centimetres, so half of 14 centimetres is 7. If you find it's a little too wide, that's okay, you can trim it down. Or you can move it across, which is exactly what I've just done with that one, which looks quite, yeah, it looks quite cool. We might do that. Okay, let's move those. So I'm going to get some tear and tape. Let's pull off that raggedy end. And it's like wrapping a present, really. Don't make it too tight because you do want it to be able to slip on and off. There you go, like that. And then just gently crease along the edges. Okay, just like that. And then, yeah, I'm going to take that slightly... Yeah, because I've just covered all the purple. So I'm going to take it slightly off centre, but exactly the same. Tear and tape across the bottom. And again, not too tight. Again, pinch a little bit. Yeah, like that. And then the ribbon I'm going to use this time. So I used red before, but I'm going to use the lovely Highland Heather. And the cat is roaming around behind me now. Ooh, look at that bow. I'm looking to see, I don't even need to trim the tails off. That's just fabulous, isn't it? Right, so let's do some stamping. So Sweet Conversations and the matching Sweet Hearts dies. And we've got all these hearts in different sizes and shapes. But we also have the little envelope, which is charming. We've got banners, we've got these ones, just everything. It's brilliant. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rummage for a piece of a scrap of Whisper White and pull out some these they are the interior shapes. I'm not going to put words on. I just want these inner ones. Yeah, a couple of other blocks. Oh, throw them about. And I'm looking to see what colours we've got. So I've got So Saffron. I'm going to guess that's Pool Party. And I'm going to go Blushing Bride, even though that is the Petal Pink. I don't like Petal Pink. I'm going to take those 3 colours. Oh, no, do I want a green, though? Ooh. Nope, that's fine. We'll use those. Little yellow heart. And pink heart. And that one. And I've got a scrap sitting next to me, and I really hope I've got some Highland Heather. Ooh, I have. So I just get a bigger piece rather than try battle with that. And then I've got my mini cup and emboss. Although where the plates have gone, I've no idea. Oh, they're right next to me. So plate number 1, plate number 2, cardstock, envelope, die. Send that through. Oh. Oh no, I still need that. 1, 2, where's number 3? There it is. And then exactly the same, plate number 1, plate number 2. And then I've got some washi here. I don't want that much. 1, 2, 3. And there is a little border around it, so be aware of that. You're not lining it up with the what's the word? The image. Oh, I've stamped 2 in the same colour. I missed one out. Oops. No, I've stamped 2 in the same shape. That's the word. Oh, and that's just moved. Oh, for goodness sake, what's going on? That didn't stamp out. There we go. And I will put that one over there. I'll have to sort that yellow one out, aren't I? That's not going to move now. And then my blue one to finish. Run all of those through. And hope nothing wibbled. I think everything wibbled, but you know, it's handmade. There's some artistry in handmade, isn't there? Don't want to lose my dies. I would be devastated to lose them. There we go, all of those on there. Okay, so let's fold up this little envelope, which is so cute. Everything in miniature, please. Everything in miniature. And then I want my, oh, I don't know where they've gone. There we go, mini glue dots. And I'm going to put one on either side of this envelope this time round. Because the first one I didn't, and it kind of twanged open a bit. And then we'll just go dimensional crazy. Because why not? You could, of course, stamp into the words, but I haven't. And that, I think, is a very lovely way to give a yummy treat of yummy sweeties. Look at all the colours. Just perfect. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.